Family Thrill and Adventure na 20 minutes drive from Marikina, Metro Manila ang hanap mo? Offering day tour adventure na may iba't ibang package. And we decided to get the package C. Ang inclusions, may ATV fun trail, bicycle zip line, going to Sky Tower, and experience the hanging bridge. Syempre, try muna namin yung ATV trail, 'di ba? Actually, we signed the waiver. But before that, we were oriented naman on how to use the ATV properly. Fully geared din kami. Provided na rin nila, 'di ba? Para safe. Medyo kinabahan pa nga ako nung nakita ko yung dadaanan namin eh. Pero yung pam ko sobrang excited, 'di ba? May guide nga pala kaming kasama. Talagang super protective silang dalawa throughout our ride. Lalo na sa akin, akala kasi nila senior na ako eh. FYI nga mga guys, maraming adventure branch pala ang UCM Adventure ha. Dito sa branch nila sa San Mateo Rizal, advisable sa mga first timer na kagaya namin. But if you want more thrilling trails, you can try their branch at Tanay Rizal, wherein mas grabe ang mga trails na madadaanan nyo. UCM Adventure Park also offer overnight stay. They have resto inside, so no worries sa food if the family wants to eat. You can have your picnic and kulitan sa mga kubos. Now, ang itatry naman namin yung bicycle zipline. Ayan, pababa na kami. Ang kulit ng mga kids. Are you ready sa bicycle zipline? Before kami mag-ride ng bicycle zipline, na security safety check po yan ng daddy ko. Yung harness, chinek kung matibay. In fairness to UCM Adventure Park, matibay naman talaga yung kanilang mga harness.
Pwede
Magbitbit ng isa 360 sa
Gano'n
bike.
ka kinakabahan today? 1. Oh, 1.